for this season. All it's nearly yes, finished, and tomorrow is already November 1st, and it's coming in winter, and my plan was to finish balcony railings still this year. Terrace boards I finished it already around the whole house, and these are two balconies are finished railings. The next it was to finish around the house all terrace boards, and as I already told before, terrace boards are, it is wood, it's summer when hot, it's not so hot as the stone. When it's cold, they are not cold as stone. This is the one more balcony. There used the wood 45 to 45. Yes, this is the terrace which you saw, or maybe somebody did not saw in previous videos. This is the around the house, all like this. It's here the same. It's one more balcony, same 40 to 45 wood. Their terrace boards, still this is one more balcony, and under them I made storage. Yeah, I made the storage, finished it 1 week ago, and wood is still wet, and in some places there is yellow color, but it's okay. In the spring I will repaint, and all will look nice. Now it's no reason to paint because it's too cold. This is one more balcony. Yes, as you see, same 45 to 45, and this is the bigger one. It's around the corner. There is same 45 to 45 wood and metal holders. It's going there and up. There is one more balcony, and from this corner it's one more balcony. It's something like this all together. I am happy that did this season a lot of job, and that was main goal, finish terraces, balconies. Yeah, and next year, don't know, we'll see. Maybe some new projects. Yes, it will show next year, and all together looks something like this. Yeah, it's balcony terraces, many the balconies, terraces. Yes, and this is all together. Seems good. I think so. I like it. I like it black and white, and it's, yeah, it's up to the people, but yes, that's I think so my favorite colors, and I use it to finish my house, and yes, result is like this. And thanks to everybody for the watching, and of course, if you have some questions, or maybe I can help with some ideas, just let me know. Okay, thank you very much.